Today I'm going to be reviewing this eyeliner. I like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see here, I have the eyeliner. This is in the purple color. It is a gel eyeliner. As you can see, it comes in a little package like this. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you. I will swatch it on my hand. Let's see what the color looks like, how it reflects. And I actually want to add it underneath my eyes here just to give them a little pop. It comes like this. This is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and open it up. And this is available in a variety of colors. So it's available in blue, in green, and black, and gold. So many colors to choose from. And here I have, this is a waterproof eyeliner. So take a look at that. Let me go ahead and open it up. So as you can see, I took the top off. This is what it looks like. And you're able to go ahead and move it up. And move it down. So you're able to put it up, put it down. All right, so I'm gonna swatch it real quick. So as you can see, the color is actually very pigmented. So it actually grasps quickly to my arm. Super pigmented purple color. What I want to do is I want to add it underneath my eye. So I'm going to go ahead and pull you closer. And I want to go ahead and add some purple down there. Take a look at the difference between the two eyes, the purple and the one that does not have the purple, how it makes the eye pop. And as you can see, the color is very pigmented. I didn't have to go through it a lot of times. Just look at how the eyes pop with adding that dash of purple. Again, this is a gel liner. I really like how easy and smooth it glided onto the eyes, how it makes the eyes pop, especially with the purple. But if purple is not your color, remember this is available in a variety of colors. So you can get this in blue, in gold, in white, in red, light blue, so many colors to choose from. If you've been on the lookout for a new gel liner, one that is in different colors, one that's going to pop, one that is pigmented, it actually lasts and you don't have to rub it a lot of times. You like this style of pencil where you could just go ahead and simply move it up and down. Super easy. Then I'll go ahead and link it down below for you so you could check it out for yourself or take a look at the variety of colors that are available to you. And also, if you're not already, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.